I'm going to review this or that. I have been doing this for over 10 years already, and if you've been taking care of your hummingbirds through the winter, you've probably looked for a hummingbird heater. So let's give a little demonstration of how to put these on. First of all, these ones that we have known forever use bungee, right? The bungee cords to hang onto your feeder, because not everybody has the same feeder, right? And you gotta cinch it all the way up and get a nice seal so all the heat from the light bulb can actually heat it. So here we go. Let's use this one. You gotta get 3 bungees and you gotta get them all, a little difficult here. I think I cut my bungee last time I used it because it was so stretched out. I couldn't tighten it anymore. So this is on its very last stretch here. And I did pretty good at tightening it. Yes, I did. Oh yeah. Okay. So tightened it. It's very tight, yeah, but I can't quite get it centered either. I need to mess with these strings in order to center it. Otherwise, all that heat is going to escape this crack right here. Let's see this one. I am going to just center it right in the back. It has a commercial adhesive that's 2 inches around, and so it should fit most feeders with a flat bottom. You can use it year after year in different seasons. And that is it, friends. That's it. And you know what else it has? It has an 11-foot cord. This is brilliant and a game changer, and I literally will never go back. Mr. Hummingbird, this is a win-win. There is nothing more to love. I mean, you have it all here.